Is another crypto arbitrage trading tutorial, and today we are trading crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots. So make sure you watch to the end and you learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading, buying low assets at a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So you need Binance, and you also need runquilly.com. So runquilly.com, you just get it to your browser. Just go search runquilly.com and make sure you verify your email and KYC. So we'll make a withdrawal at the end of the video. Make sure you watch it to the end. And if you want free crypto arbitrage trading classes, you click the link in my bio and start trading like a pro with arbitrage bots. So let's get to arbitrage bots. You just come on your Runquilly, you click there, then you find the best bot. So like this Flash arbitrage pro bot is trading crypto arbitrage trading with two pairs, that is BTC and Ethereum, taking 10 minutes. So the platforms are Binance and Kraken. I told you arbitrage trading entails two platform. So that one is running on a loss because you can see expected profit is 30% and maximum risk, which is a loss, it is a 55%. So if the loss is more than the profit margin, then you know that that bot is running on losses. So let's find a bot like this one, PeerSync Elite bot, which is also trading crypto arbitrage trading between Binance and Bybit, and the win rate is 127. You can see this graph, the two lines. So if the spread is higher, that means the arbitrage opportunity can give you good profits. You can see like expected profit is 113 and the negative is 10%. So it is trading two pairs, Solana and Ethereum, and running for 3 hours. So the arbitrage bot is automated. You don't have to worry about anything. So I'll just deploy my bot. Let me deploy my bot, and the minimum of this bot is 500 USDTs, so I'll trade with the minimum. You can see I can double my arbitrage capital from 500 to 1067, but there is something called P2P arbitrage fee. So we'll see how much it will deduct us. So I've deployed my bot, my arbitrage bot, and it is running. You can see I invested 500 USDTs and I'll be expecting 517. So that is my profit. The ROI is 103. So it is not bad given that it will be going for 3 hours. So that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots. So we just let our bot run to the fullest. You can't stop this bot because that's how crypto arbitrage trading bots works. So you can find other bots, they go for 10 minutes, other bots go for 1 hour, other bots go for 15 minutes. It depends with the bot. So we'll make a withdrawal very fast to confirm that everything works and works perfectly. I just made a withdrawal to no, it was arbitrage trading. You can go watch my other videos. I was trading between Binance and Runquilly, but my profits were being received in my Binance directly. So you can go watch that video. It is very interesting. So if you want to withdraw from Runquilly now to your Binance after trading crypto arbitrage trading, just come to add funds and copy your address. So click on deposit assets, you choose your cryptocurrency, and then you choose your network. For me, I'm using TRC because it is very fast. Then I copy my address. After copying my address, we'll go back and we check my balance for now. So I'll go back, then I'll go on Runquilly. Remember my arbitrage trade is still going on. Then I'll come on withdrawal. I click on USDT. Then I paste my address very fast. Then I'll enter amount 202 USDTs. So after that, I'll review and confirm. Then I wait for at least 2 to 15 minutes for my funds to be received in my Binance account. Remember, my arbitrage trade is still ongoing. We can check it. My bot is still running, and you can see some profits. If you see some green, that means profits. You can check on this if you are trading on your own time. But the best capital to start with trading crypto arbitrage trading, make sure you start with at least 200 USDT. So let's wait for the withdrawal to be approved and sent to my Binance. Then I'll show you my people. So my people, I've got a confirmation here that my deposit has been sent to my Binance, and let's refresh. You can see now it is at 286 USDTs. We can refresh again and check. That was a withdrawal from Ranquilly. Then we can go to our Ranquilly and check if my withdrawal has been approved. Just here, we check on history. Yes, it has been approved, and that's why it has been sent to my Binance. So this is the transaction history. It is here, the withdrawal, the address and time, everything is there. So withdrawals, yes, works, and you can make good profits trading crypto arbitrage trading. Our bot is still running, so make sure you don't miss out a chance of trading crypto arbitrage trading and making withdrawals after trading. That's how it works. Best capital 200 USDTs, get to it, and everything will